Well, this is one of the most craziest and wackiest tool I have seen in any 3D software. But hats off to Blender developers, they are giving wholeheartedly whatever they can. So the next tool is going to be Shear and Spear. Wow, what are names! One is Shear, one is Spear. For that to show me clearly, what I will do is go to first delete this cube, go to object mode, select this cube, delete this cube, tab delete button on the keyboard, go to add and then go to mesh and then go to monkey. Yes, you can find a monkey in this Blender. This is the monkey. So what you can do is go from object mode to edit mode, and then right at the bottom you get Shear. What the Shear does is exactly, let us see all these vertices. You are able to see these vertices, these gizmos on screen gizmos. If I click and drag one of these, it's going to shear the face. This is called shearing. And whichever gizmo you click and drag, that's how the thing is going to shear. And the next tool is going to be Spear. Actually it doesn't has any on-screen indicator, but you just need to click and drag in the window. It will spearize it. Spearize means completely spearize it. So that's just as simple as that. Hit the like button if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to wholeheartedly support me on the Patreon channel, on the Patreon page. Links will be given in the description. With that being said, try to see it, understand it and learn it. Until then, I will see you in the next video.